Numerous experts around the world state that all you need, in order to control the sugar in your blood, is a boiled egg. The recipe could not be simpler, so just follow the instructions below to learn how to control blood sugar with a boiled egg. Nowadays, numerous people around the world suffer from diabetes. This common health condition is a result of the stopped production of insulin by the pancreas, or due to the improper use of the produced insulin, which increases the blood sugar levels. The most common symptoms of diabetes include rapid weight loss, fatigue, blurred vision, frequent urge to urinate, constant thirst, and an itching sensation around the private parts. If diabetes is left untreated, it can lead to kidney failure, heart problems, blindness, nerve damage, and erectile dysfunction. Yet, the following remedy will help you treat this issue. However, note that you should not consume foods which increase the levels of sugar in the blood. The preparation is very simple and easy, and you will need only one boiled egg. This is what to do. Boil an egg, and peel it. Then, prick it several times with a fork, and put it in a container. Pour some vinegar over it, and leave it thus during the night. In the morning, you should eat the egg with a glass of warm water mixed with a tablespoon of vinegar. Repeat this treatment for several days, and check the sugar levels in your blood. The results will amaze you. The sugar in your blood will be dramatically reduced after the treatment with the boiled egg. The egg,